Hi all, welcome back to the channel of the restoration of the Oval 55. Yeah, it's been a long time, but I have to explain something why I didn't post any videos anymore. So for the past 4 years I had some back troubles. Um, there is a hernia, and the last couple of 7 months, 8 months I was struggling to get something done. And the pain was sometimes overwhelming, so I had to do something about it. So I went to a specialist, and he gave me some infiltrations, but that didn't help anymore. So it was getting to my leg, it was sleeping. So the nerve was at the spine was a little bit compressed by the hernia, so he had to take it out. So for the moment I'm at home. I can do nothing. The only thing I can do is search things up, reading some books, doing some things on my videos. But the problem is I have a lot of videos, but the end of the work is not done. So I opened up, for example, the front beam, but it's not done. So I cannot assemble it for the moment. And yeah, so I had some other things to do, like searching pieces. Yeah, that's another problem these days. On marketplace, on Facebook, a lot of scammers, a big lot of scammers, so beware of it. They had me with paying by PayPal, friends and family, and afterwards he asked me for extra money for an insurance for the posting agency, but there was a red flag for me. Too late, but yeah, he scammed me for approximately 100 euros. That's about 50 $95. So it was not too bad, but it's gone, the money. So but I have seen a lot of other people that has lost a lot of more money, so beware of them. Ask pictures. Don't pay with PayPal, friends and the family, but pay a fee if you must, but don't pay these scammers anymore because they love it. I have done some research on them, and yeah, there are some blokes that just make a few dozen of accounts, so they can scam a lot of people. So ask for pictures with proof, especially if the amount of money is very big. This is coming a plague on every marketplace for Volkswagen. Everything that you can buy that is a little bit expensive, they are there. And afterwards that I have posted some on Facebook groups, they have eliminated his access to the group. Then he came back to me and he asked, did you do that? And I said yes. And approximately 10 minutes later, some other blokes, they came to me from, what pieces are you searching? I have them for you. You can pay with PayPal, etc., etc. So those scammers, they are just they have no respect, they have no feeling with somebody that has to buy those pieces to get their cars back to the original state or something else. I don't know. If you want that piece and you have the money, you will buy it. But with these scammers, it became too hard to find your pieces in a straight way. So with that said and done, if you have tips or comments about this, please place them below. I can learn from it because they have a lot of scammer procedures, so I don't know. And there's something else. Yep, there's something new in the family, but that will be on a later video. Don't know if in a few weeks my sons can pull it out when it's beautiful weather or something, but yeah, then I can show you what we have. So for the meantime, I have still one video, I guess, that I can show you all. After that, don't know, we will see. I hope you can give me some credit about this. I will be back with videos of the Oval 55, but until December, I guess, I have to be very careful, and I think it will be a little bit too cold to work in the shop there. Bear with me, and I will get back with videos. So if it's not be the 55, it will be that other surprise, but I will explain it later in another video. So thank you very much for still supporting me to watch the videos. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support, your subscribing, and we'll see you back in the next video. And remember, it just is a hobby.